This is Ken, and welcome back to God by the Train, where we break things down to the simplest form to even what a first grader can understand it. Today, what we're going to talk about is what's going on with tech stock. Why did it rally up today? And we're going to see is inflation going to kill this rally up? That's what we're going to talk about. So if you're new to the channel, what I want you to do first is hit the like and subscribe button so you can be updated on the breakdowns on how the stock market is doing and be up on the latest news or whatnot, right? So today what we're going to talk about the unstoppable tech stock rally and how inflation may stop the party, right? If you didn't know whatever, I want you guys to be on the lookout and put this on your watch list or whatnot, right? In the stock market today, these key tech stocks right here. Nvidia, Tesla, and Apple. Today, these three stocks have been driving the tech market up or whatnot, right? Like crazy. And AI is really just killing it or whatnot, right? Now, what I want you guys to think about whatever, right? Comment below how y'all feel about AI technology. Do y'all feel as though like AI technology is the new wave? How do y'all feel about AI or whatnot, right? The way I feel about AI, I feel like AI is in our phone. You put it in these cars. The Nvidia chip is dang near everything in your PlayStation 5. Everybody playing Call of Duty. Everybody loving the graphics. Everybody being on the lookout for GTA 5. GTA, the new Grand Theft Auto. Everybody, AI is in everything, and the graphics are looking good. So what we're gonna talk about, right? How y'all feel about it or whatnot. And let's talk. I want y'all to look at a couple of videos with me real quick. Right here. I'm going on YouTube. Alright. Let me type in. Let's get it up a little bit. How do y'all feel about this? I want you guys to look at this. What's going on?
The year 2024 marked an exciting milestone for the tech industry, with a series of AI innovations and groundbreaking products. Among them, only one name truly captured the attention of global media and the public: Elon Musk's humanoid robot, Tesla Optimus. This humanoid robot is one of the few products to garner widespread support and attention due to Tesla's credibility and reputation. According to Elon Musk, Optimus is the world's smartest robot. Combining proprietary technologies within its body components, it is designed to handle all the tedious tasks humans prefer not to do. Particularly with Optimus Gen 3, the number of useful tasks it can perform has increased to 1,000 different tasks. It is set to debut this year. Let's dive in now.
Alright, so look. How do y'all feel about this AI robot? How are y'all feeling about it or whatnot, right? Y'all see the thing that Tesla got going on. Tesla now focusing on robots. As y'all can see, whatnot, this thing is taking up it has an update of 1,000 tasks, Gen 3, which is set to release. Do y'all feel as though like this is gonna drive Tesla stock up? Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it or whatnot. Like, do y'all feel like y'all want to buy a Tesla robot? Do y'all feel as though like this is the new wave? What I want you guys to do is pay close attention to Tesla stock. Also, what I want you guys to pay attention to is Apple. The new iPhone 16. The new iPhone 16, as y'all can see or whatnot, got all the new AI features. You can do so many things on the matter of fact, let's see. iPhone. Let's break this down. Let's see what all you can do with it. We need to click.
The display of the phone is a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED protected by third-generation ceramic shield glass, and it has a 120Hz refresh rate. This is 0.2 inches more than the previous. And then there's Apple Intelligence. AI-based features are the hot new trend, and Apple is looking to provide its own. These include writing tools, summarization, generating your own emojis, and advanced search through the gallery. And Siri is more powerful too. However, these features will be released later on via a software update. And because of legal...
How do y'all feel about Apple? How do y'all feel about it? How do y'all feel about it? This AI is leading. Do y'all feel as though that the tech stock, do y'all feel like this rally going to keep going up? Tell me how you feel in the comments as we talk about this or whatnot. Let's talk about, let's dive deep into, we're going to dive deep into now. Stock market. Let's get up in here. Let's look at these charts. We're going to dive in. KB House yesterday. Let's dive in the video. Let's dive deep into it real quick. Y'all see that bounce back? I want y'all to see that. Y'all see that bounce back right here? This on the 4-hour chart. Nvidia jumped up today. Yesterday it dropped down, as y'all can see, this big red candle. But today it jumped back up because of the CPI data. So that's what made it jumped up today. Because the CPI data basically said that, hey, it's starting to stabilize. The inflation is starting to stabilize itself or whatnot. So a lot of investors felt more comfortable in buying back into tech stocks and things like that. So as y'all can see, it went up. I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart in the video real quick so y'all can see it a little bit. Bad. As y'all can see today, it went straight up. As y'all can see. That's how Nvidia did today. So y'all can kind of get a little closer in. Let's see how, what I said, Tesla. Let's see how Tesla did. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see how it went up today? Tesla stock went up today. Let's talk about Apple. Let's see what Apple did today. Y'all see Apple went up today, right? It opened up. It opened up and it hit all the way high, as y'all can see. As y'all can see that, right? It jumped way up this morning. Way up, as y'all can see. And it's still climbing. It's still climbing. AI is killing the market or whatnot, right? But like, while we talking about AI, let's talk about Nvidia, right? I want y'all to see this. As y'all can see, I'm trying to zoom in on this thing. And I know y'all don't know, but Nvidia is up. And I know y'all don't understand this one right here, whatnot, because it do say a year. And a lot of y'all don't know that Nvidia did a stock split. But what I want to tell you guys is that Nvidia is up 100% since last year. It's up 100%. That is crazy. Nvidia up 100% from last year. That is crazy. That's crazy. All right, but look, so always speaking on this or whatever, let's talk about the party pooper, Jerome Powell. If y'all don't know who Jerome Powell is, we're going to break this down and see who Jerome Powell is so y'all can see this. Who is Jerome Powell? I need a lot of you guys to notice who Jerome Powell is, right? And what position he play. Jerome Powell took office as chairman of the board of governors of the Federal Reserve System. This is the guy who is fighting inflation. He's over the feds. When people saying that they finna have a Fed meeting, they talking about Jerome Powell and how he finna fight inflation. So look, this is why I said, do y'all feel as though, which I want you guys to comment below, do y'all feel as though that Jerome Powell is gonna put an end to this rally that's going on in the tech sector of the stock market? Jerome Powell is the one who's fighting inflation. He worked for the Feds or whatnot, right? The way that the whole system works is, the way that America is fighting inflation, you have Jerome Powell boosting up interest rates, right? They call it rate hikes. He boosts it up and he makes it harder for banks to borrow money. That's what Jerome Powell do, right? And what banks do in return is make it higher interest rates for us. And the thing to do is to try to suck the money down to make people and businesses go in default to where people can't pay bills or people can't lose their houses and things like that. So you can deem it a recession and everything automatically has to drop back down. So even though we had good CPI data and PPI data, and it shows that the market is kind of stabilizing out, the thing is that Jerome Powell, even though we see that it's stabilizing out a little bit, Jerome Powell is saying he's still going to do 2 interest rate cuts. That's what he's talking about. He talking about doing 2 interest rate cuts. Let's see. Let's see if we can get on here. We'll get back on YouTube. On YouTube. Let's see what happened. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see if we can get some real good news today. Talk about this.
Check this out. I'm going to show you how I afforded this car. Okay, you ready? All right, $118 for car insurance.
Inflation data this morning, and it did come in cooler than expected. That has sparked a bit of a rally in the equity market, as you see. Not too much, but a bit. Let's get to our Steve Leisman. He's got a closer look at the underlying numbers of PPI. Steve.
Hey, David, finally some good news on inflation. The PPI, the producer price index, coming in better than expected, raising some hopes that the worst may be avoided in tomorrow's consumer price index report, which is the more important of the two. Headline coming in 0.2 versus 0.4 last month, and an expectation or an estimate of 0.4. The core flat 0.0. Goose egg versus 0.2. Take out food, energy, and trade. It actually fell 0.1%, but the headline still showing some in the pipeline, 3.3 versus 3.5. Looking at the details, food declining after massive increases last month. Some of them related to the avian flu. Other issues were out there, but they were down this month. Energy, though, popping higher. Trade down 0.1%. That's the measure of margins out there among wholesalers and retailers. One concern is the domestic air travel prices rising 6.8%. On the month. Some of that could carry over into the CPI. But good news there, services, another goose egg. On commentary nationwide, senior economist Ben Ayers writes, this tempers the higher end of expectations for tomorrow's CPI report and clears the way for softer inflation readings in early 2025. That's one of the expectations out there, that we don't get the big numbers in January and February that we got last year. Probabilities, well, June, 55% for just one cut. That's the first time it gets over 50% is in June. And December, well, we really can't price in that second cut. It's just a 32% probability. Well, Kansas City Fed President Jeff Smitty adds to that concern about a second cut, repeating comments he made last week. He believes we're at a point where the Fed doesn't need to be restrictive on the funds rate or supportive on the funds rate.
How do y'all feel? Do y'all feel like the Feds need to be restrictive about the rate? How do y'all feel? Or do y'all feel like Jerome Powell just need to have a seat? Y'all let me know how y'all feel in the comments about this about the CPI data. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel. And we finna dive deep for all those that be looking for options and things like that. We finna dive deep into options. If you looking to join like-minded traders, if you looking for joining a community in the stock market, they're gonna sit down and that's gonna help you and explain to you how the stock market works. Go to the link that will be in the they're gonna be in the description. Go to the link that's gonna be in the description so you can join the Discord and be part of the God Body Trading family. All right, so let's dive deep into it. I don't want to be too long. For everybody who like trading the SPY, y'all know how I feel about the SPY. For all my option traders, let's get on here for our chart. As y'all can see, it's starting to rally back up. As y'all can see, right, the 1348 cross, it's starting to rally back up. So that means that the overall market is starting to be, it's starting to give indicators of a bull market. So I want you guys to pay attention to that or whatnot. Pay attention to the SPY 500, and because I don't want you guys to miss out on this or whatnot. So as y'all can see, I'm expecting it to probably raise up, which we'll probably see tomorrow. I'm expecting it to raise up as high as 597. If we can continue on the rise up, I'm expecting it to go a call option to go to 597, and that's when I start taking profits out around that time and whatnot, right? Trying to fight our way all the way back to the 600 range. So you guys let me know how y'all feel or whatnot. How y'all feel about inflation? How y'all feel about the AI technology that's going on? Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel or whatnot. So y'all have a blessed day. Y'all be safe and happy trading. Bye.